Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about why the United States bought Alaska from Russia. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Did Russia originally own Alaska? Yes. Russia controlled Alaska before selling it to the United States. Was Alaska sold to Britain? No, it was sold to the United States. Did the U.S. buy Alaska in 1867? Yes, the purchase happened in 1867. Was the price for Alaska more than $100 million? No, it was only $7.2 million. Did people call the purchase Seward's folly? Yes, many people thought it was a foolish decision. Did Alaska turn out to be rich in natural resources? Yes, it has gold, oil, and many other resources. Did Alaska become the 50th state of the U.S.? No, it became the 49th state. Is Alaska the smallest state by area? No, it's the largest state. Was Alaska important during World War II? Yes, it was strategically important for defense. Can you see the northern lights in Alaska? Yes, Alaska is famous for its stunning northern lights. Watch this feedback video several times to strengthen your memory and keep building your English and cultural skills. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning with us. See you in the next adventure.